We need to take a short break, but the Kenyans were asking that as we're taking a break from the Swahili episode, you are not wearing a ring. Now you have one.
Sam, you are the only person who is also wearing a ring here. This one, it has no ring. This one has no...
Unfortunately, information.
Wait, what's ring? You know, I saw that, you know, in a hurry to come here, you know, these characters, I was having some meetings in the office, and then they came and told me, go dress up, you know. So in the process of all that, I forgot my ring, and it's very interesting. It became a subject of discussion. I thought we were having a very serious conversation here about it. But anyway, let me tell you the story of the ring now that you have asked.
Yes.
You know, when Rachel and I got married, we went to that fellow called Nagin Patni, I think it's there up on River Road. Sure. So it was then 700 shillings. So of course it got tired along the way. So ikavunjika. So Rachel took so long to go and get a replacement. So when she got a replacement,
A replacement for you?
Yeah, of course, she goes, she's very...
Well, I thought it's men who buy the ring, but anyway.